Stop paying for AI videos, you don't have to. I spent weeks testing 50+ tools, and most of them fake free, hidden limits, forced upgrades. Today I will show you 5 video generators that are free. And the quality? It's going to surprise you. So let's dive in. Before starting the video, let me tell you something. You can also create AI influencer video using this method and convert them into cash. And to make money from day one, you can use Fanview AI. Fanview is an AI-powered, subscription-based social platform that allows AI creators to build a profile, grow an audience, and monetize their content directly. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics all in one place. To start your money-making journey with Fanview, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with Fanview. And that's it. You are now a Fanview creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Okay, let's get back to the video. I'm going to use the exact same prompt on every single one of them. A female warrior stands defiantly on a smoky battlefield at sunset. That way you can see for yourself, side by side, which tool actually delivers the best result. Tool 5, Pika. Just head over to pika.art, sign up, and you're in. No credit card needed. Now just copy the prompt and paste it. Set the aspect ratio. For free tier resolution offers you 480p. Click on Generate. Just within 10 seconds, your result will be ready. So here's Pika's output. The scene is there. Warrior, battlefield, fiery sunset. It captured the prompt well, but no camera movement. It's essentially a clean animated photo. No audio at all, and the output is blurred for resolution settings obviously. It allows you only 5-second generation. One more thing. The free plan gives you 80 monthly credits. Tool 4, Hunyuan. Hunyuan is Tencent's AI video generator, and it's completely free to use. But the interface is in Chinese by default. Don't let that stop you. Just use Google Translate's image feature to translate the page. Just take a screenshot and you are good to use. It takes 30 seconds to figure out, and it's worth it. Enter the prompt. You can type it in English and it handles it fine. And hit Generate. After waiting a while, here's the output. The warrior is there. Medieval armor, blood on her chest plate and face, destruction in the background. The image quality is actually solid, and the scene looks dramatic. But honestly, it barely moves. It's almost a complete still image, no motion. And there's a Chinese text watermark. No audio either. Tool 3, Qwen. Qwen is Alibaba's AI platform, and their video generation tool is completely free with no watermark. Paste the prompt into the video generation section and hit Generate. Qwen gives you around 5 seconds of video, and you get a limited number of daily generations. But for free, the quality is genuinely impressive. See, Qwen built a full scene. The armor style leaned more traditional Chinese than the prompt described. But honestly, the result still looks stunning. There's also ambient audio. Tool 2, Wan. Wan is built on an open source model, which means it's not just free, it's also more flexible. Click on the video section. Here you can use a reference character. For today, I am skipping this. Drop the prompt and click on Generate. Now, fair warning. Wan can have longer queue times depending on server load. Here's the output. Okay, Wan did something interesting. The warrior is kneeling on the battlefield. Full armor, bloody sword, fires burning in the background. And the camera actually moves. Her facial expressions shift, determined, weary, then a mix of sadness and anger as she looks up. It's telling a story. That emotional range is genuinely impressive for a free tool. Tool 1. Gemini Gen. Google has been quietly rolling out their Gemini platform. Paste the prompt and choose the model. VO3 fast and Grok is free. I am going with VO3. And you can feel that in the output. Click on Generate. Okay. Dark blood-splattered armor, sword and shield, corpses and burning rubble behind her. The scene is set perfectly. But what makes Gemini stand out is the facial animation. Just clean, cinematic output. Final verdict. Gemini takes the top spot for pure cinematic quality. But Hunyuan is right behind it for emotional storytelling, and Qwen is the best option if Gemini isn't available in your region. The smartest move? Rotate between them to beat the daily limits, and always get the best result. We're wrapping up today. Drop a comment below. Which result surprised you the most? And hit like and subscribe to get more updates. I'll see you in the next one.